So today we are going to see the design and analysis of the lift, columns and beams. So for that we will open our Staadpro software. So go to new project, click on space and give the name as lift C and B, right? So I'm taking the lift, column and beams. So I'm giving a short name. So I'm going to take the kilonewtons and this is the foot. On next, finish. So or else you can go to input units. I'm taking these meters. Okay. So now we have opened our software interface, right? Go to edit, click on exit plane, click on OK. So I'm selecting like we will edit this one. So this one, this is one, right? I'm taking 1 meter spacing, right? So we are going to take uh, beams of like the length of 2 meters by, so this 1 2 3 4 meters, right? So here we're going to take like this, so right. So this is our lift, columns, beams, right, the node points. So now we need to project this one. So go to select this whole object by selecting mouse, or you can press the Ctrl A. So go to translational repeat y-axis. So the floor height is 3.5. So I'm taking off 6 floors. Click on link steps. So click on OK, right? So here we got select the, it's already selected the down part. So click on delete and OK, right? So here we have selected, we have drawn our lift, right? So this is our 3D. So now we'll go to our front view. Now we will add the supports. General, go to support, go to create, add the fixed ones, click on add and select this one, go to 3D, assign to selected nodes and S. So we have assigned our supports to our this one, right? So now we don't need any plates because here it is not floors, right? So this is lift, so it is an open one, right? So now we will go to our property. So now we are going to take the sections. So go to define. So here I'm going to take my rectangulars 0.35 by 0.35. So we will take this as 0.4 on add, and the beams are 0.35 by 0.35. Click on add. On add. Okay, so it has already selected. So okay, right. So now again go to define rectangle 0.35 by 0.35. On add and close. So now we'll select this one and go to our select beams parallel to y-axis. Click on assign to view, assign and S. So here we can see the 3D view of our columns, right? So now go to modeling, again go to general property, select this one and go to select beams parallel to X, beams parallel to Z, right? Go to assign and S. So we have assigned our beams and column properties to our structure, right? So we don't need any thicknesses, right? Because we don't have any plates here. So it is a lift. So we will add the walls for over here, right? So go to the side view, go right click on this, click on labels. So here we have all the everything, right? You can use the supports, display floor loadings, everything we can uncheck it, right? On OK. So now you can add the footnote plates over here from here, right? Like this. Go to 3D. So go to this front view. So now again go to footnote plate. So we have done over here. We will go to this back view. Go to footnote plate and you can select. So like this we need to add the footnote plates, right? After that we will add over for this also, right? They will be open for the one side only, right? So be careful while you are selecting your node points, right? So if we select here, go to the node cursor. So these are the ones which we have selected, right? So we will go to our whole structure. So we have done the opening at one side, right? So now again we'll go to our modeling. So now go to general and click on material, select the concrete, assign to view, assign and yes. So it has assigned, right? Now go to load combinations, click on load, add, go to the dead load, give as dead load, and we will take the none cases. So in the dead load, go to add and add the self weight and go to member load, take the uniform. But here we need to calculate, right? So go to calculator. So it is of 0.4 into 0.35 into 25. How much it is? 3.5. So minus 3.5. GY direction, click on add. Now again the open the calculator, cancel 0.35 into 0.35 into 25 equals to 3.0625. These for the beams, right? So, and can select the plate loads. So the slab thickness of 0.12 into 25. It's 3 minus 3. Add and close. So we haven't assigned any property to our thickness, so it is 0.12. Add and close, select this, assign to view, assign and close. If we go into really this view, we can see. So this our start, right? So this is our lift. So now go to loads and definition, click on here. So go to self weight, assign to view, assign and S. So and this is for the column. So go to select, beams parallel to Y, assign to selected beams, assign and S. So it has assigned, right? Now again go to here. So this for the beams, right? Select Z. So these are the self weight, right? So and again this for the plates, right? So go to assign to view, so it will assign to everything, right? So here you can see this, so then this. So then go to date load, click on add, go to member load, so this as -3, add and close. To select this. So now go to the plate load, select all the plates, select this one. So it will automatically assign, right? So now if you go to another load cases, the live load, like you can take as member load or you can take this as physical member load, right? So that is the lift. So it is taking as minus 100 kilonewton per meter, or we will take this as 60, right? The ZY direction, add and close. So like this, assign to view, assign and S. So we will delete this one. So this is physical, right? So we need member. So not the physical, we need the member load, right? So here we have the hydrostatic or the pre-post fixed ends uniform movement, uniform force of -60, right? Add and close. We will take this, assign to view, assign and S. So like this we have done, right? So after assigning all this, what we have to do? We have to do the analysis. To analysis this, right? So go to analysis and print, click on add and close. Here it will be added. So go to analyze, run analysis and save. So here we are done with our 0 errors. Now go to post passing mode. We can neglect the warnings. So click on OK. So here we're going to take this plates, maximum absolute, click on OK. This is the max absolute pressure. We can see the animations about deflections. Click on OK. So this is due to dead load and this is due to the lift live loads, right? So here we can see the movements. So we select the beam, so we can see the movements for this, right? So for these movements, the Fy. So now we can see the Fy, Fx, and the Fz. You want to see any the stresses. So these are the maximum absolute stresses. So here we can get the reports, right? So like this, we can do our this. So now we'll go to design part. Again, go to modeling, go to design, select the concrete, and select this as IS456. Select parameters, deselect all this. So we're going to take this compress strength, event strength, and FICML. Go to select parameters. So here we're going to take it as XCS 25,000, F5 made as 415,000, and the F sectional is also 415,000. On add and close. So now we have to assign this. So for that, before we have to go to these commands. Click on design beam, add, design column, add, slab, add and take off, add and close. So now select this, assign to view, assign and press. This one, assign to view, assign press. Bisectional, assign to view, assign and press. Design beam, so go to select, beam parallel to X, select beam parallel to Z, assign and press. Design columns, select beams parallel to Y, assign and press. Design element, assign to view, assign and press. So it is, and now go to analysis and print, add, close, analysis, run analysis, save. So here done with 0 version. Now we go to post passing. So now if you go to animation, sectional displacement, okay. So here you can see the sectional displacement. So these are the plate values, stress. Okay, and now if you go to beam, select any beam or select any columns. So here you can see the concrete design of the column, the deflection, shear bending, loading and geometry, right? So you can see the report for this. You can see for these beams also we have the concrete designs, shear and bending. So like this we can do a lift, beams and columns modeling. So this is our lift, right? So this is how guys we can design a lift, beams and columns in our Staadpro software. Thank you.